Stick around till the end of the video and you'll see all the stocks that I bought and sold recently. What is going on, everybody? My name is Christian Robert. On this channel we talk stocks, personal finance, and wealth building, and we're doing my weekly roundup video, and I'm also taking you through all the stocks that I've been buying and selling. First and foremost, I want to say hello to all the new subscribers that I have been getting. So if you don't know who I am, I'm sure you've seen a few videos, so you know that we do a weekly roundup video every week. So let's just dive right into this. Starting off, we have Acorns. This is my smallest account. Last week I was sitting at $202. Now I'm sitting at $222. Next we have M1. M1, last week I was sitting at $324. Now I'm at $343. And I added another stock to this, and that is Tesla. I will be getting into I'll do an M1 video shortly. Next I have my lending club. Last week I was sitting at $683. Now I'm sitting at $685. So you can see this thing really doesn't move. I'm in the process of trying to take all the money out of this account. Next we have Robinhood. Last week I was sitting around $5,007. Now I'm sitting at $4,906. And finally, we have my TD Ameritrade. Last week I was sitting at $50,640. Now I'm sitting at $51,215. So if you add up all of my stocks for the week, I am at $57,357. Compared to last week, that's an increase of about $515. So not too bad. There's been a lot of activity lately. So next, I just want to take you through the stocks that I've been buying and selling and show you how that impacts the dividends a little bit. So recently, if you saw one of my most recent videos, I talked about how I might possibly sell Apple. And so surprise, surprise, I sold it at $207 per share. And it was bringing me in roughly $46.72 in dividends. And I wanted to write this down for a reason. Next, I'm going to take you through all the stocks that I've been buying. I've been buying a new real estate stock. Keep in mind this is a higher risk because it's got a very high dividend. But I bought 35 shares of AGNC at $18.10. And then a few days later after I bought it, they actually cut the dividend by 2 cents, so the stock dropped a bit. But I had a feeling it was coming, so I was already prepared for it. So I went ahead and bought 10 more shares at $17.99. And that will bring me in an extra $86.40 yearly, $7.20 monthly. Next we have Disney. Now if you watched one of my very first videos, I talked about one of my big goals for the year was to add to Disney. And I did it at a bit of a premium price because there's been so much fire around Disney lately, but that's okay. I'm never selling. I bought 5 shares at $138, and I actually just saw something about the Avengers End Game movie. They made like $1.2 billion over the weekend, so they're smashing numbers. So I'm sure when Disney reports here soon, it's going to be a fantastic quarter for them. But that's not a big dividend play, but that brings me in $8.80 yearly. And then next I wanted to add to one of my core positions. It's really undersized, and that's Johnson & Johnson. I bought 4 shares at $140, and that will bring me an extra $15.20 yearly. And finally, I had to add to my favorite stock because I've talked about it in recent videos, and that is O Realty Income Corp. And that is another real estate stock. I'm aware that it's at a high price, so I know there's going to be people saying you shouldn't buy it at these high prices. Keep in mind my average cost is like $52. So even buying these 20 shares, it hardly moved up my average that much. So I bought 20 shares at $69.90. That will bring me in an extra $55.20 or $4.60 monthly. Now, I wanted to type all this out so you could see that I sold off a stock bringing me in $46 or $47, and this is what I get in return. I get the I didn't add this up, 92, 102, 113. So like 160 to 170 dollars compared to the 46. Yes, there are higher risks. This agency is a higher risk play, but overall, I'm bringing in a lot more income through this. So yeah, these are the recent moves I've made. I only sold Apple because I feel like it is headed downhill for the short term. So I'm not saying that I'm never going to buy Apple again. Next time I see a buying opportunity, I will gladly buy back in. So, this is just a temporary move I made. So, as always, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one.